Hi everyone. Postgres10 is released with a whole set of new features. So here let me show you how to set up a sandbox on Windows without really installing that into your system. I mean without doing any registry modification. Uh, you can just play with Postgres10 using that sandbox. So first of all, go to bigsql.org, bigsql.org. So you may be redirected to OpenSCG BigSQL. So go to downloads. This installer is one way of installing Postgres. Click next. You will be able to install, but this will be doing the registry mod entries. And if you don't want to do any, any registry modification, uh, check out this command line package manager. Click on this usage instruction, and this will give you how to install on Linux and Mac. And this is the command we should be executing on Windows. Okay, so let me show you. Invoke a command prompt and run as administrator. Let me go to the C drive itself. Okay, I'm going to create a directory. Okay, mkdir postgres cd postgres. Here we can just paste this command line option, package manager. Okay, hit on enter. What this is going to do is it is going to connect to this Amazon bucket and run a PowerShell script which will download the BigSQL bundle and copy to the directory which we created. So let us see. So I am refreshing this. Yes, we have a Postgres directory. Go there. It download a zip file, and now it is doing some unpacking. So let us refresh again. Yes, it is unpacking this zip file into a directory. This may take a couple of minutes based on the speed of your system. Since I am running on a virtual machine, it may take a bit longer. It unpacked 21 MB. It's in progress. Once unpacking is completed, it will be doing the repository settings and update the metadata about the packages available, and you will get your command line back. So let's see how big it is. It is around 162 MB. Okay, so in the command prompt, you see it is unpacked to a directory called BigSQL. So let us go to that directory cd BigSQL, and here we can type pgc list. This is going to list all the Postgres and components which you can install. Since we are trying Postgres10, the new release, we can install that from here. Say pgc install pg10. This is the name of the component. So again it will connect to Amazon bucket and it will start downloading that file. And it is unpacking that into a directory. So here you may see, yeah, pg10 directories coming now, so it's getting unpacked. Okay, we got our command prompt back. So let us initialize and start the database. pgc init pg10. This will prompt us for a super user password. I am keying in my super user password, and it is initializing a database using this data directory. So let's examine that. The data, there is pg10. Okay, so we initialized a database, so now we can start it up. pgc start pg10. So yeah, Windows is prompting for us for a firewall approval, allow access, because it's a server running on a port. Port is 5432. Anytime you can verify whether what is the status. pgc status. Postgres10 is running on port 5432. Okay, now how to connect to that? Okay, while initializing it, it provides us um, a shell, a kind of bat file, which we can invoke to set all the environment variables. So let me show you. pg10 slash pg10 environment.bat. So that will be in the bin directory. pg10, this is the environment file. Okay, if we invoke that, it will set all the environment variables required. Why we are doing this is that we don't have any registry entries, so we are dealing with a sandbox. So only in this shell, this command, this shell variables are set. So we can just connect using PSQL. We are connected to Postgres10 using PSQL10. Okay, yeah, Postgres is available for you for any kind of further testing. I am quitting from command line. So in addition to installation of Postgres, let me show you how to install something like PG admin 3. Okay, so if you say pgc list now, we'll get more number of components now, because we already installed pg10. It is installed, so all the extensions which can be installed on Postgres10 is available now. We can connect to Oracle database, and we can have partition manager and debugger, profiler, and PostGIS, and set user the security modules. So okay, each of these may require a separate session. So let me install, say, this pgadmin 3. So it's very simple. pgc install pgadmin 3. There also it will connect to Amazon bucket, where all these binaries are stored. It will download and unpack the same. As usual, we can see the pg admin is getting unpacked into a directory. Yeah, so the unpacking is completed. We can invoke pg admin from here itself. pgc start pg admin 3. Yeah, so we have pgadmin 3. We we can connect to our local Postgres. Yeah, that's all. One important point to note is, since we dealt with the sandbox, suppose you want to uninstall, close everything, say pgc stop. Let's see pgc status. We have only Postgres10 installed, running as a service. It's not a Windows service; it's a background process. So say pgc stop pg10. It is stopped. Okay, and we are going to clean up our sandbox. We just need to go back to the directory because Windows should not log that directory. Okay, and go to that directory and just say delete. Yeah, this is how a sandbox can be removed from your system. So the key point is, creating a sandbox is nothing but downloading a zip file and unpacking it, and it works, and you can play with that. And once you are done with, you can just delete the directory. The sandbox will be removed from your system. Your system will be clean again. Okay, that's all. Thank you.